Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to talk about our half bath makeover. We did this makeover on a budget. My husband is a general contractor, so he knows how to do all of this stuff. I've been very lucky. He does a lot of our home improvements himself, so he's in between jobs right now, so he decided to do some stuff around the house. And this bathroom, actually, I've wanted to redo for quite some time. I didn't realize he wanted to redo it as well, so when he brought it up, I was so on board, so excited. So if you guys remember what it looked like before, it's just not our aesthetic. It was brown, it was just kind of dark. I hated the tile on the walls. I did not like the countertops. He wanted this countertop. It was like onyx, I want to say it was, and he wanted to be able to put light underneath it so it was lit up, which it did look cool like when it was lit up, but I was just not a fan of the color. The vanity was brown. It was just too much brown. And if you guys have seen our house, we have a lot of whites and grays and like light, and like our kitchen is kind of black and white. So yeah, it just was not matching our style. So he decided to pretty much gut the whole thing. Yeah, we did gut the whole thing. He took down the tile, put in new drywall, took out the vanity, got a new toilet, new paint. We did everything. So vanity is actually one that matches all of our other cabinets in the house, our kitchen cabinets, our the girls' bathroom upstairs, and then we've got a little like cabinet area by the laundry room that all matches now. And we had some leftover kitchen countertop that he was able to cut and put that in. We did use the same sink. We got new fixtures, new toilet roll holder, towel holder, and I will link everything down below. Most of the stuff we got off Amazon, so definitely on a budget. The shelves are from Amazon. And then what else did we do? Oh, so we put the paneling, the wood paneling on the back. Originally, I had wanted it to go vertical, but with what we had, it was just easier for it to go horizontal because I didn't really want to be able to see the seams. So we were able to hide those seams behind the mirror. And the mirrors from Amazon as well. I'm obsessed with these mirrors. They're so cool because they light up. I like to just have that on kind of as like a little nightlight, but they are awesome. And then everything that I put on the shelves, well, for the most part, I bought at Dollar Tree or I DIY'd it. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna show you how I made everything, and then I'll kind of go in more detail and show you guys the whole bathroom. All right, for this first one, I didn't do too much. I am just taking some of this chalkboard paint that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I didn't even realize they had this, but such a good find. And then I'm taking this little lantern. It just came unpainted like that, and I'm just going to paint it black, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I kind of wanted it to look a little rustic, so if it's not completely covered, that's okay. The hardest part was getting it inside. I did the best I could and just tried to get it all completely painted, and it's so cute, it even lights up. Now for this next one, this is my favorite. So I just took a little sign. It was actually a Valentine's Day one, and I didn't care what it was. I just needed a blank little canvas. So I took this top part off, and it had a bunch of glue. So what I ended up doing was I took my hairdryer and got it completely melted, and I scraped it off with a little razor blade, and it came right off. Next, there was this little piece that was kind of peeling, so I started to peel it, and the next thing I know, I took like the whole entire top layer off of it. So it was kind of weird underneath. It was almost like shiny, weird material, but it's okay because we're going to paint it. So I just went ahead and peeled off the whole entire thing so it was a blank canvas. And then once that was all off, I just went ahead and painted it black with that same chalkboard paint. Now I did use my Cricut for this one. All I did was I went to the Cricut Design Studio and I wanted a certain saying, and I looked it up on there, and there was actually that saying already on there. So I didn't need to make one. I just used that, and I cut that out, and now I'm just weeding it. If you guys don't have a Cricut, you can absolutely do it by hand, or even find some stickers like word stickers and use that instead. But I did use my Cricut since I have one. So once I weed that, I'm gonna stick it right onto the little sign. I absolutely love how this one turned out. I think it looks pretty darn professional, and my kids do not understand the saying at all, but I love it. Now for this next one, I took 2 of these beautiful glass jars that I picked up at Dollar Tree. This was such a good find. I've never seen these before. So what I did was I just kind of scuffed up the lids, and I'm going to paint them black using the same chalkboard paint. And I will say I did try doing it without scuffing it up and the paint would not stick, so make sure you scuff it up. Now I'm taking these little knobs that we have left over from our kitchen, and I'm going to scuff these up as well and paint them black to just kind of glue right on top. So once everything is all dry, I'm just going to glue the little knobs to the top of the little containers. And for these, I ended up putting Q-tips in one, and then for the other one, I put these little flossers in there. And I actually found these flossers at Dollar Tree, and I loved them because they're black. They're actually like a charcoal infused kind, but I just loved how they were black because it totally goes in our bathroom. All right, for this next one, I am just kind of redoing my little hand soap. It's a little hand soap from Grove, a little glass one. You could find one probably at Dollar Tree, or even a plastic one would do, but I just went on my Cricut Design Space again, and I printed off a little label that says hand soap, and I didn't need to make this. It was already on there. So right now I'm just weeding it out, and then I'm going to take this and attach it to the little the soap jar, and I thought this turned out so cute, and it was super easy, and you can totally just give something you already have a little makeover. Alright guys, this is how the bathroom turned out after. I'm so happy with it. I love the black and white and the little pops of greenery. It just looks so much better than it did before. So, like I said, everything, all the products will be linked down below. For the most part, Amazon or Dollar Tree. That little plant on the toilet is from Home Goods, I believe, but oh, and I forgot to mention, I actually forgot, but the hardware on the vanity is actually from Hobby Lobby. We found those, and you can get those on sale. They go on sale like 50% off, so definitely wait for that. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. Let me know if you guys like it, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye!